Ready to unlock the full potential of Microsoft Office but stumbled upon an ISO file? Don't worry, installing from an ISO is easier than you think. First, locate the downloaded ISO file, right-click on it and select Mount. This creates a virtual drive on your computer, just like inserting a physical DVD. Now, open the newly mounted drive. You'll see several files and folders. Find the setup.exe file. This is the installer. Double-click it to begin the installation process. The Microsoft Office Setup Wizard will now appear. Follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to accept the license agreement. Be sure to read it before agreeing. Next, you might have the option to customize your installation. This allows you to choose which Office applications to install. If you're unsure, the default settings are usually fine. Simply click Install Now. The installation process will now begin. This may take a few minutes, so sit back and relax while Office installs all the necessary components. Once the installation is complete, you'll be prompted to enter your product key. This key is essential for activating your Office suite. Enter it carefully to avoid any errors. After entering the product key, Office will activate. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your Office suite is successfully activated. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Microsoft Office from an ISO file. Now you can start using all your favorite Office applications like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, and start creating. Don't forget to like and subscribe.